Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I just walked into Dollar Tree and I stopped at my favorite usual spot, and the first thing I see are some new candles. These are they Old Williamsburg? No, they're just Dollar Tree brand, but look at the packaging on that. The little gold pineapples. This one is pina colada. I'm gonna open them and smell them in a minute. This one is lime margarita. That jar is pretty. Mango coconut. These are so pretty. Grapefruit bergamot. Look at that. Let's see. This one is Make Your Dreams Happen. This one is tropical coconut. Looks like that. Let me see if I can get that one. This one is called Be Happy Sparkling. Be Happy Sparkling Yuzu and Sweet Rose. Look at that. Walking on Sunshine. And the last one I see is called Good Vibes. Sweet cedarwood and earthy sage. Let me see. I'm going to open them and see which one I like. Okay, now I quickly opened them all. To me, my favorite is the pina colada and the grapefruit and bergamot. Those were the strongest ones. Lime margarita, I didn't get lime fragrance. I don't know what that was. Mango coconut smells just like a light coconut. This one, Walking on Sunshine, definitely smelled like the soothing musk and smoky agar wood. It smells just like that, like a musky scent. Sparkling yuzu and sweet rose smelled just like roses, and the tropical coconut and the Good Vibes smells like coconut to me. They actually smell the same, so I don't know, you don't have to get both of those, but I'm gonna get one of these today and the grapefruit. Okay, I'm over in the picture section, and this one was just randomly sitting here. I've never seen this one before, but I thought it was cute. It's Teachers Help Us Believe in Ourselves, and it's on like a wood, like, you know, plaque. And you can hang it up. I like that. Oh, look, here's another one. I guess somebody just randomly placed these out, so I'll keep looking for them. But this one says, "We are forever grateful." I like that one too. Okay, I think I spotted the rest of them, so let's see what else was over here. So I accidentally skipped past this picture. It was also new. These were the same, so maybe those two were the only two new ones. Girl Boss, all of this stuff has been here. You got these, Mermaid Squad, Happy Camper with the glitter background. Look at that. The mermaid was silver. This one is cute. Good Vibes. You can hang them up. You have Dream Like a Unicorn, Wonder More with the llama. And then look at this one. Have a hippie day. That's cute. I like that one. Okay, I swear, every time I come to a different store, I see a new towel. Every haul or every Come With Me to Dollar Tree video, I keep running into these flour sacks. So today I see a new one. We belong together. Okay, did you see that? Look at that water drop. Okay, let me hurry up because it is dripping. I think it's the AC unit dripping on my shirt. Look at that. Lord. Okay, we belong together. Super cute. And the back just looks like that. Ooh. Okay, let me back up. And then they still have some more of the cute little fleece blankets right here. They brought back the crew socks that look like that. You got these. The dogs and the rabbits. Okay, up here by the register, look at this, a wind-up eraser. I have never in my life seen anything like that. That is so cute though, and it's an emoji. They all have the same faces, but that's interesting. Oh, I did see some more of the e.l.f. products. I keep always seeing these, but they have these little eyeshadow quads. It says Flawless. It has a little mirror and a brush. This one is Party Purple, And it tells you base, lid, crease, and line. I think that might be the only, yeah, they're all purple. So that's the only color I see right here. And then down here they have these. It just says Duo Stick 10. Pencil case designed for e.l.f. Duo Sticks. Great for your purse or travel. Holds up to 3 Duo sticks. So that's kind of cool. Look at that. I'm sure you don't have to just use, you know, e.l.f. pencils. You can put other eyeliners in here and keep these in your purse. That's cool. I've never seen that. And then I also see this one. I just showed you guys the other colors. They did have another one. This one is called Natural Matte. So it looks like that. Okay, over here on this clip strip, they have jewelry to go. It says 6 compartments to keep jewelry safe, and once you roll it out, you're able to keep your jewelry in there for, I guess, traveling or whatever, and it shows you like that. This is by Every, so I see polka dots, and then I just see pink and black. Okay, so I don't need any more books, but I did stumble across another Angie Martinez. I know a lot of you guys said you were gonna look for that. This is the George Benson book. I think I saw that one. Yeah, I did. And then look at this one, Showboat, The Life of Kobe Bryant. That's pretty cool. It's a really big book too. 32 yolks from my mother's table. And there's another Disney wedding book. In the baby section today, I see these cute silicone nipple pacifiers by Baby King, and that one says Hello Sunshine. Let's see, this one up here says hello, and I think that, oh, this one back here says Wild and Free. These are cute. That's the only 3 I see. Okay, it looks like they have restocked the letter boards. I see the gray and white ones and the black and white right there. They have also restocked the washi tape, and I can tell they just put these out because all of these are full, like none is missing. And these are the newer ones that I had recently showed you guys with the cute little cameras. That one and the little unicorn cats. Over here I see some cute little Juicy Juice boxes. I'm used to seeing these like this with the apple and the orange, but this one is orange. It says Juicy Waters. So the other one is Juicy Juice. These are Juicy Waters in orange flavor. It says organic, and they also have this one in fruit punch. And you get 4 of them, and these expire next year in April, so 2020. Okay, look at what I just found over here in this basket. I guess they haven't put these out yet. These sound crazy as I don't know what. Double bubble gumballs in, look at the flavor, jelly donut. Jelly donut with grape filling. Oh my god, I'm so tempted to try this. Okay, I think I'm gonna get these just to give them to the kids. Okay, over here, I don't remember ever seeing these kind of containers in black. So they have these containers, and they have them in clear. I know they have clear, but these ones are black, and they have the little handles on them, and they do come with the lid. And let me see, I see different sizes. So that shape, they're not a full black, they're like a clear. But I see that one, and then I see that size. Okay, you guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar Tree. I am going to get my purchases and get out of here, and I will talk to you soon in my next one. Okay, bye.